Yeah, okay. So I started recording it now. I paused in between when I was waiting for people, but okay. Okay, it's only the 6th question, so it's fine.
Previously
Akash,
on the last 5
your
questions.
Yeah. Akash, your next question. How many balls are there in the snooker table, including the cue ball?
Oh shit.
You can take your time. You have 1 minute.
No, I thought you know.
16?
Is that a final answer?
No. Sorry. Once more. Snooker is the okay. Snooker is the one with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Huh?
It has. I can't give it now, but I'll give you a guess. Random information.
Clue.
Is the one with the most number of red balls.
Oh, okay. Then again.
You have 20 seconds left.
Oh shit. 16, 17, 18, 20, 21.
No,
22.
Including the cue ball. Final answer?
Yeah.
That's a very good answer and the correct answer. Good job.
Yes.
How did you get the answer?
Wow.
How did you arrive at the answer?
So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Then
Five
there's
color
3 in 5. No, 1
Answer,
plus
the
2
red
plus 3
balls.
plus.
The red ball.
Red balls are 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. That is 16. Then there is green, brown, and yellow at the bottom, and then there is pink, black, and then there is a cue ball.
Okay. Correct. Good job.
So, yeah.
That's a TK.
Good one.
Time.
So now 2 rounds are over. Tell the score.
You said I'm going to ask you to do it.
No, I'll last one more round. Acha, so at the end, no, it's okay. Leave it. No, wait. 1 second.
15, 15, 10.
15, 15, 10. Akram and Akash is tied at 15. Surya is at 10 points.
Okay.
Okay. I'll go for one more round of these questions. General knowledge.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So Surya, what does DC stand for? Marvel,
Wow. Okay.
DC. What does DC
Ah.
stand for? Since you are
This is
all
Akram, that too.
Yeah, Akash, there are 2 expansions, la.
Eh? No, there are 3. Da. Confusing you.
Okay.
you have 40
Now I
seconds.
don't know. Now you confuse me well. Ash. No, I don't know which one is which.
I'm like Rishi for a second.
I hope when I give the answer and Akash says sorry, it's the wrong answer. That's gonna be fun.
I have no idea. Pass.
Randomly guess. You have 25 seconds.
I know it's some comics, but I don't know what's the D.
That's a TK.
Tomorrow, yes.
Pass.
Dick comics. Shit.
What,
10.
digital?
That's the wrong answer. Okay, Akram.
I never even thought of
Detective
this.
Comics.
Detective Comics. Yes, that is the correct answer. Good job. Good job.
Damn it.
Woo! Comic fanboy.
TK.
Okay.
Okay, next question to Akram. Oh, good timing to. Carol Danvers is which superhero?
Captain Marvel.
Very good answer.
Ja.
Good job.
Okay. Yeah.
I hate
Hey, you should not follow up a comic book question with another comic book question.
Yeah.
Arey,
Tell to him.
Quizmaster is always right. Sure. All of you are getting comic book questions. Don't worry. Next question.
Akash, comic book question.
Akash. Next question.
What is Shikari Shambhu's real
Very-
name?
Very simple question.
Shikari Shampoo.
Wolverine's claws are made out of what metal?
Fuck.
Hey.
Adamantium.
Sorry?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I like this.
Don't tell me
question.
it's fuck. This Vibranium by Black Panther confused the fuck out of me.
Yes, I knew.
Who's getting the
It's
part?
adamantium.
Sorry?
It's adamantium.
Are you sure?
No,
Final
it's a
answer?
real- Yeah.
It's the correct answer.
Oh, thank God. Hey, stop confusing with your basic questions, people.
Akash gets 10 points. Okay, so that's the end of the GK round. Okay? So at the end of the round, Akram is leading by 30, Akash at 25, Surya at 10 points. Okay? Okay. Now we will go to the next segment. Logos, picture, or sound. You guys choose. Which one do you all want?
And general politics.
No, I don't want to go there.
What?
One this.
I'm gonna hear.
Modi.
Logo, picture, sound. Which one do you guys prefer?
Logo.
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 Okay.
Oh my god.
Take a second.
Give Pogo. Pogo's logo.
You go.
Hey, Blessy.
Hi.
Why can't I see this Zoom call?
Um,
Can you guys see
On
the...
top, you can. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, first question to Surya. Wait,
I want to take a breather and say, Raj, well done, good job. I like so much effort has been put into this.
This is the highest production value that I've ever been on.
what Akash? This is the
This is the highest production
Highest
value on an
production
event I have
value.
been on. I feel rich.
This took maximum like what, 1 hour?
I don't know. I was sleeping.
Achha, theek hai.
What?
Theek hai. Ready?
I appreciate it.
Not very difficult one. So, theek hai. First one.
That's
Okay.
it.
Your
Hey,
logo.
now we can start the other way, no? Because just
There. Okay. Okay. Let me change the scoring a little bit. I forgot to mention this. Okay. Now you guys are familiar with the poker term raising, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll give you an example. For example, Surya has 10 points right now. Okay. You can raise with a multiple of 10 points. Minimum is 10. For
Okay.
example, Surya raises his points by 10. The correct answer will give him 20 points, double of it.
Hmm.
Wrong answer will give minus 10 points.
Oh fuck.
Oh, nice. This is like Jeopardy.
wait. Can I raise after seeing the question or should I
Oh,
raise before
before.
seeing that?
Ama.
Yeah.
So I have to play blind,
Yes.
basically.
Yes.
See, that is.
It basically to try to catch up with the lead or having faith in yourself in the round.
Okay.
So now every topic will have the same 3 rounds, right?
Yes. This one will have only 2 rounds per person.
Only 2 rounds. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'll go for a raise of 10. So if I win, I'll get 20.
Yes.
Yes.
So you'll be
Okay,
the correct answer. You'll get 10 plus 20. Total points of yours will be 30.
10 plus
So
20.
I raise my 10.
Yeah. So
Oh,
if
yeah,
you get
yeah.
the correct answer, then your total score will be 30. You're at 10 right now, basically.
Yeah. Got
But
it.
if
Got
you
it.
get the wrong answer, you will end up with 0 total score.
Yeah, sure. No problem.
Got it? ठीक है.
Okay.
It's
So
good.
let's start any questions? Any questions? Nothing?
No.
Done.
You are the
No.
one who should ask questions.
Achha, ठीक है.
Suddenly, the twist in the story has come now very early on.
This is only first twist.
I know.
This is the only twist that's coming. Don't worry. There's no other twist. Okay.
Bluff.
First question, Surya. Your logo is this.
Huh? Same. I know.
Oh my god.
Think carefully. By the way, you've raised, right? This.
Yeah. I think this is Pampers.
Final answer?
Yeah.
Correct answer. Good job.
I got 30.
Adulthood.
30 Pampers. Wow.
What are you guys seeing right now?
I'm seeing only Pampers.
Acha, good. So Surya 10 points. Sorry, 30 points.
30.
No, 20. Sorry. My bad. Okay. Next question is to Akramji. Your logo is this one.
Wait. Is he raising?
Sorry. Good question. Akram, are you raising? Remind me to ask that question.
I have 30. Yeah.
So you have to raise by 30, 60, 90 like that, right?
Multiples of 10. Minimum raise is 10, basically. No 5s.
Oh, okay. So
Ball blind.
I'll raise to 20.
You will raise by 20 or 220?
No, by 20.
By 20.
So if I get the thing, I will get 30 plus 20, 50.
Wow.
You get 40 points if you get the correct answer.
How?
Total. I mean, not total. If you get, see, he's waging 20. You're waging 20 points right now. Okay?
Correct.
If you get the correct answer, you get double of that. So you get 40 points. 40 plus what are
if I get it wrong, I get minus 20, so I'll be left with 10.
Yes.
Okay, so I'll do that.
20 points.
Hmm.
For 20 points, आपका सवाल ये रहा.
Fuck.
I know this.
Fuck.
If he passes, will I get his points?
No. Passing will only carry forward the original 5 points.
Hey, but at least half of it I should get, no?
No, nothing like that.
You wage yours, then you'll get. Is
Because
it Seinfeld?
he's already penalized. If you give, he'll be already penalized, so no point.
Is it Seinfeld?
Final answer?
Yeah.
Correct answer. Good job.
Thank God, I never watched this show, man.
So you get 40 points for this.
That's Surya. That's
Woohoo! Woo.
Guys, he's running away with the quiz.
I know.
Akash, are you raising?
आज कुछ तूफानी करते हैं. Come on. Same race.
Same.
Plus, how much do I have?
You have
20.
25.
Oh, I have 25 only, so I cannot multiply by 10.
Now,
So yeah,
for you,
20.
is the max race.
Then go,
No,
to,
20.
you can go for 20.
20 race, 20.
Okay.
And
आपका
कुछ लोगों comes, no?
20 points के लिए ये रहा स्क्रीन पे अभी.
Fuck. Oh, Swarovski.
Final answer?
Yeah.
Good guess. Correct jawab.
Yeah! Thank you, all my ex-girlfriends.
You got Swarovski by ex-girlfriends?
I once got for one of my...
boyfriend.
My
I'm
God.
like, wow.
Wow. So you got 40 points.
Wait, what? Which one is this?
Swarovski.
Swarovski.
Oh, Swarovski. Yeah, right. Okay.
Lewandowski's brother.
Mine
Thank God, I would have never got it.
10 points.
Sorry. I had to.
Okay. Next question.
Akash got 40 points
Surya?
more, right?
Sorry?
Akash got 40 points more.
Yes. Okay. So Surya, you want to wager?
Yeah.
Yeah. How much?
Yeah, I'll do 20. So, like,
We're at 30, right?
yeah, I'm at 30, so I'll do 20.
20. Okay.
Hmm.
Your logo is this one.
AS Roma.
Crap.
Final answer?
Yeah.
Good answer. Correct answer. Good job.
Which one? Which one is it?
AS
AS Roma
Football Club.
Football Club.
Oh. Yeah, I'd have been screwed with this.
Surya's back in it. Akram, waging? How much?
10.
10. Acha. Why not?
Yeah, when I noticed the football logos, I am not taking it.
Okay, next question for Akram is here.
Oh! I thought it was something.
Shaheen P.
I'm a little confused now.
Ah.
There are two logos. I'm thinking I'm a little confused now. Okay, I'm gonna try. Either way, I have to answer. It's World Wildlife Foundation.
The final answer?
Yeah.
It is the wrong answer. So you lose 10 points only. Good wager. Only 10 points. Akash, it passes on to you. You get 5 points if it's the correct answer.
Is it, damn it, it's Panda Station? Or, no, Food Panda is something else. Panda Station. What is the other thing called? Shit. Panda Station, what?
You have 30 seconds.
Yeah, now he confused me a bit.
Yeah, China. Food Station. Fuck. Panda Station. I don't know.
Panda Station, final answer?
Yeah.
It is the wrong answer. Surya?
Is this Panda Express?
The final answer?
Yeah.
That is the correct answer.
Yes.
Panda
Express. Yes. Sorry, not Panda.
I thought it was Panda because there's the same similar logo Panda
Yeah.
Chinese.
Yeah. And I did it was in my head as Food Panda, and I was like, why the fuck is Food Panda?
Yeah, I thought of Hyper Panda, the hypermarket.
Correct. That's what I.
Pandas, man.
Panda Express, fuck yes.
Okay, it leaves the scoring very interesting right now.
What is the score now?
Okay, there's one more
Now
question.
you are leading, you
One
asshole.
more question for Akash, but right now Surya is at 75, Akram is at 60, Akash is at 65. Akash,
I am the lowest now. Damn it.
I will wage 10.
10.
Yeah.
Okay. Your question is here.
What is it? Top Gun now.
Oh fuck. What is...
It can be Top Gun.
Yeah.
Top Gun.
Is that
It
your final answer?
actually can be Top Gun. Yeah.
Huh?
Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
I think it is Top Gun.
Unfortunately, that's a very good question. That is the correct answer. Good job.
Oh yes! Oh.
Shit! Ah!
Wow. That was a good guess. I thought nobody would get this. I knew that the confusion of the previous question, but I didn't expect anybody to get this one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so at the end of the logo round, Akash is leading with 85,
Oh.
Surya at 75, and Akram is at 60.
Asho.
And this is how we turn the tables.
I know. I like this. I like this betting thing. This amazing idea.
But
Yeah.
they're doing this for every round,
Oh, it's for every round.
not for every round.
Okay.
Only for this round. Okay. Good, good. I like that.
Okay, so you can.
There's too much pressure.
Do we have a round where we can hop on our leg and answer for a bonus point?
I don't know if you're hopping or not. I have to see your feet for that.
I'll have to ask my downstairs neighbors first whether I'm allowed to hop.
We call the game Bamboozle.
Okay, your next topic. It's between entertainment or politics and religion.
Go with politics and religion.
Yeah. Let's get that out of the way, please.
Yeah, let's get that out of the way.
Okay, now we'll go with reverse.
Yeah, hello. No, one second.
Correctly on the call.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I would
Bookie.
like a
Bookie is there.
1, 2, 3,
This
4,
is not there.
Let me stop this.
Okay, phone a friend option not there. Hello?
3, 4, 1, 0.
How to stop screen sharing.
Yeah, that's it. I'll be paying by cash.
3,410 is paying the bookie by cash. Okay.
Hey, 3,400, 3410 is my apartment number.
I know that.
Okay, Akash.
Soros.
Okay. Akash, we're starting with and
Thank
it's
you.
reverse. So Akash, Akram, and Surya.
Okay.
And no waging. This is straight 10 points, straightforward 10 points, carry forward 5 points. Okay? Okay. We are going for politics and religion. First question to Akash. According to the Old Testament, how many days did it take to create the world?
6 days and 7th day he rested.
The final answer?
Yeah.
That's a good answer. Good job. Correct answer.
Wow. I don't know this.
You don't know?
No.
So the answer is 6 days or 7 days?
6
6
days.
days.
No, no,
he-
6 and
and
then
7th day he rested.
That is how the Old Testament is.
Oh, that's how it is, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. On the 7th day he rested. That's why he named it Sabbath, and that is Sunday.
Oh.
Okay, next question to
Like-
Akram. Oh, good timing, man.
Hey, you should. Okay, fine. Good.
It's okay. Your question is halal food is for Muslims,
Okay.
people who practice Islam. Dash is for Jews.
Haram.
Kosher.
Final answer?
Yeah.
And that is the correct answer. Good.
Now we get some complicated question in Hinduism.
It would be fun if it would have been fun if Akram would have said all that food is haram.
Question to Surya.
Huh?
Tom Cruise is openly known to support and practice this religious movement.
Fuck. So easy.
Scientology.
That is the correct answer. Easy question, man. Fuck.
It's okay, the first
Yeah,
time.
it's okay. It's okay. Okay, back
You
to
need
Akash.
You need to gauge their knowledge.
Yeah. Back.
I know, yeah, exactly. That's what he's doing last 2 rounds. It was good.
Okay, back to Akash. This is politics and religion. Okay, so politics also be there.
Modi ji.
First question to Akash. What animal is the symbol of the US Democratic Party?
That's the walk.
What animal is the?
Is the
Well,
symbol
Trump is the
US
president now, but he
Democratic-
can't be a monkey. That's too easy.
Who's
Akash.
Akram is guessing.
I know it, but I'm not sure if it is fucking red or. Sorry for cursing on TV.
Please, no, it's okay. We don't have any.
As if it is very, for children and everything.
Sorry, mummy. Elephant.
The final answer?
Yeah.
That's a good guess, but unfortunately the wrong answer.
It's
Pass
the
it
other
on to Akram.
Who won this one?
Democratic Party. Tell the question again.
What animal is the symbol of the US Democratic Party?
Eagle is for America.
Is it?
It says a donkey.
Sorry?
Donkey.
Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
That is the correct answer. How did you come up?
How did you come up with
No,
donkey?
when I follow the election.
Yeah, it is either the elephant or donkey. I
I'm
always thought it was
wondering
the other.
because I always related. Okay, Republican must be donkey because Trump is there.
Yeah, that's what I also did the same logic and gave.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
what is
But then I was like, Republican
Donkey.
is elephant and then Democrat is donkey.
Republican?
I don't
Elephant.
know.
Elephant.
Huh?
Yeah, it is elephant.
This
It is
master
elephant.
is not knowledgeable.
Republic is elephant.
I can check though.
Okay. Next question to Akram.
Hmm.
What is the minimum age to become a member of Lok Sabha?
My grandfather's age.
Lok Sabha number is 25.
Final answer?
Yeah.
Elephant.
That is a good answer. Correct answer. Good job.
What did he say?
25.
Thank you, Mahesh Babu.
Wow. Akram is back in it. Unfortunately, there is no doubling in this, but okay. Okay. Next question to Surya.
Hmm.
What was the UAE known as before its independence?
Crucial
Vada
states.
mavla va.
Final answer? Good job. Correct answer. Wow.
What? What is it known as?
Crucial
Crucial
states.
states.
Huh?
Crucial states.
Oh,
Oh,
I didn't know this.
even
Not
I
that
didn't
even
know.
pasta.
I
I
just-
thought just it was called desert.
I recently found out that British actually was controlling this the Arab region before.
Yeah. Hey, UAE SST school.
So we are at the end of politics and religion round.
Ah.
And the scores are Surya and Akash are tied at 95. Akram is at 85.
Oh.
Not bad.
Hey, Surya,
Catching up.
what is that?
It's going pretty fast now. We have only 3 more rounds left. Okay. Okay. So the next
That is
round,
because we don't have breaks in this
Next
commercials.
Yeah.
sound should be last.
sound should be last. Okay. Next we are doing pictures.
Hmm.
Okay. That
Show
we
and tell.
quickly.
Sound is being like last. I mean,
Let me just share the screen. What a lovely day.
It is what I identify this and things like that.
Sorry, come again.
Picture is what identify this monument or identify this thing.
Yes, I'll explain over it. I mean, it's self-explanatory. I'll ask the question. So we are doing the wager thing again.
Okay.
Okay.
How much pressure this is.
And we are starting again with Akash.
Okay.
Okay. Akash, wagering? Yes, no?
Fuck. Mm.
You're at
Yeah.
85 points.
Okay, wait. Picture quiz means what is the picture and I should guess it. It can be anything.
I will give you the picture and I will tell you the question. It can be, it depends on the picture. So once I show you the picture, I'll tell you the question.
Nice. Let's. Do
Okay,
minimum.
I'll raise by 10. Yeah, I'll raise by 10.
10 points. Okay. Your first question, you guys can see the PowerPoint, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Your first question, Akash. Name the missing person in the selfie.
Oh, crap.
Oh.
Angelina Jolie. Oh,
Sorry?
no.
Look at the picture
It's a
carefully.
guy. It's a guy. Yeah.
Was it? No.
It's the most, I'm sure they know. This is one of the most popular selfies
Yeah, that I know. But
Trying to
who's the
remember
guy?
who.
at the Oscars.
Hey, no one should use Google. Hands up.
Hands are here, hands are here.
Nobody's
Not
helping.
using Google.
Nobody's there. Brother, wife, girlfriend, roommate.
I'm lonely.
I have a brother who thought Jupiter is the 7th planet, so no point.
Akash, you have 30 seconds left.
Is it? No fucking idea. Gone. Kevin Spacey?
Final answer?
Yeah.
That is the correct answer.
What?
Good one. Good one.
Child rapist. Child rapist for the win.
Actually.
I know, right?
But
I'll wait for the
George
win.
Clooney wasn't there in this picture?
Sorry?
George Clooney?
George Clooney, I don't think so. I don't think he was there. in this.
Clooney was. I felt like Damon was there somewhere, but okay.
No, it is Angelina Jolie was next to Brad Pitt though.
Who's on
And there's
the
Jared.
left of Julia Roberts?
That is,
Channing Tatum.
that's
Yeah?
random.
Shit, that's
Oh,
him.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, this-
Oh, okay.
Okay, next question to Akram.
Yeah.
Are you raging?
Major, huh? This kind of picture you give, and I am already behind. I have
So
85
difficult.
marks.
Top Gun. Then this child molester.
Okay, I'll take a risk because I need to come up. So I'll go for 40.
Wow. 40.
आज कुछ और नहीं करते थे.
First time
I have to come up somehow.
So 40 means if he gets it right, he'll get 80 points more.
That's right. Good mathematics.
That means this is like win or win. Next round we have to either
I know,
take 40.
yeah.
I'm screwed. I'm sure I'm screwed in the next picture.
Okay, ready? Akram, raging by 40.
Yeah.
Your question is this. Name the movie.
Jaws.
Sorry?
Jaws.
The final answer?
Yes.
Correct answer. And he is done. Akram
That's
is
140.
40, so he gets 80 points for this question. Oh my god.
Allah. What is this double?
Okay.
What is the score now?
Right now, Akram is obviously leading at 165. Akash is at 115 and Surya is at 95.
Okay.
Okay. Surya, waging, obviously, how much?
I'm at 95 now. Okay, I'll go for 25.
25. Multiples of 10. Let's keep it simple.
Okay, multiples of 10. Say 30.
Okay. 30 points. Your question is this one. Name this movie.
Oh shit. Crap.
You have 50 seconds. Look at the picture.
Is it? I know. Is it Forrest Gump?
Is that a final answer?
Yeah.
And that is the correct answer.
Oh.
Yeah. Thank God. When I was going
Wait for a
Forrest
second.
Gump.
Everybody else knew, right?
Yeah.
How much did he
I
win?
didn't know, but I was gonna guess Forrest Gump only. Quite good.
I had to look into my backside memory.
I forgot to see it, like,
And both of them are getting movie pictures.
Okay. Next question for Akash. Are you waging?
Yeah. I have to, I guess. I'll age for 30.
30 points.
oh,
Okay. And this is your question. Name this movie.
7.
Shit.
Answer?
7.
And that is the correct answer. How many points did he say? 30.
30. 60.
Hey, all our movie pictures means we can wage freely.
Okay,
Next
Akram.
question, up over.
அதான்டா பயமா இருக்கு.
Akram, how much?
30.
30. And your question is here. Name the movie.
Oh, Sixth Sense.
Is the final answer?
Yes.
And that is the correct answer.
Now my next question is not a movie.
கூட வெயிட் பண்ணிருக்கலாம்டா.
Base 30, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Surya, your next question. Are you waging?
Yeah, what to do?
How much?
Wait.
You want to know the points tally right now?
Yeah, please.
So you're at 155. Akram is at 225.
Allah.
Akash is at 175.
225. Okay, 40.
40 points. Good wager.
Yeah.
And your question is this one. Name this movie.
Oh, fuck. Brilliant.
Yeah, I'm confused now. Which one is
Oh,
which?
brilliant.
Obviously, Akram.
Is it Liar Liar?
The final answer?
And
that is the correct answer. Good job.
Oh,
good one.
Oh, yeah.
Good one.
Akash, you knew?
What? I didn't know this.
You don't know this?
I haven't seen this movie actually. I was confused.
Yeah, I know which movie it is. Like, as in, I didn't know the name of it.
So Surya
The
gets
scene is hilarious, dude.
80 points for this. So at the end of this round, so this round is over, picture round is over, and Surya leads by 235 points. And Akram is at 225.
Oh my God.
Akash is at 175. Okay.
Abba, came in the middle.
So now we are the next round, and obviously the remaining round is entertainment. And we will continue the same point system.
Yeah, better.
Okay, and there are only 2 rounds per person. Okay.
So what? Again, we're waging only.
Waging.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
I can't catch up otherwise.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? So we're back to Surya, Akram, and Akash.
Oh shit.
Okay. So wage.
Don't ask any Kardashian questions. I have no idea.
Oh yeah, fuck. Okay, I have to wage very carefully now.
Your first question.
Oh wait, we have to wage.
Yes, sorry.
You. Okay, I'll go for 20.
20 points. Okay, Surya, your question for 20 points. Name the 2015 spin-off for the Rocky series starring Michael B. Jordan.
Oh shit.
chair
You
have 30 seconds left.
Crap.
For a wage of 20 points.
Shit, I'm not getting the name. It's only coming Rocky Balboa, this, that. Fuck.
Rocky Bablu bhaiya.
10 seconds. Surya, 10 seconds.
No, it's not coming. Absolutely blank.
Passing the question on. So you lose 20 points for this. And it goes to Akram.
Creed.
Fuck you.
The final answer?
Yeah.
That is the correct answer. But you get 5 points only.
Yeah, cool.
Oh, only 5 points?
Yeah, last question still only 5 points only.
Wagered, no, Surya?
Surya wagered, yeah.
How much?
20.
Yeah, so I lost 20.
Okay, interesting. So Akram, it's a good chance for you to take the lead. Are you waging?
Yeah, 230 I have, no? So I'll wage 30.
30 points. Okay. Akram is this. Russell Crowe turned down the role of which character in Lord of the Rings?
Aragorn.
Final answer?
Yeah.
That is a very good correct answer. How the fuck do you know this?
Yeah.
All of you guys know this.
No, this
I don't know the other one.
I was for sure I was thinking he lost this, but no.
I actually recently read some article where Russell Crowe. There was a list of all the great roles that Russell Crowe declined. He's declined a lot of very great roles.
You can see Akash's roommate has come.
No. Cigarette has come.
Why is he entering your room now? Okay, anyway. Akash, your next question. Are you waging?
I have to.
Yes.
Because I'm losing like a
Bitch.
thanks. I'm scared now.
I know. I lost 20 now. I'm at 200 right now.
Okay, so the score I'm 170. How much is it?
You're 175. Akram is at 290. Surya is at 215.
Akram is at 295.
Akram is at 290.
Okay, I'm going to go for it all or nothing. I'm going for 100 points.
Whoa!
Whoa,
50.
That's at 50.
50.
No, not 50. 50 means I'll get 100. 170. Oh yeah, that's it.
You'll come to 270. No, correct. 50.
50 points.
Oh God.
Okay, Akash, your question. For which movie did Sandra Bullock win her Oscar?
Nice.
Ayyo. 50 point is gone.
Alexa, play some music.
Play some sad music.
What did it? He doesn't know. How much did he wage?
50. दिल वाले कुछ नहीं गया.
Akash, 30 seconds.
I have no idea, dude. Pass. Fuck it.
Pass. Question goes to Surya.
Good. I think I watched like 1 or 2 movies of Sandra Bullock. I don't know.
I know. Sandra Bullock.
What, Miss Congeniality?
Nothing.
Somebody.
The wrong answer goes to
Because of so memorable, man. She had a bloody blonde hair. The Blind Side.
Yeah.
That Kala fellow was there, no? Is it?
Yes.
Yeah, black fellow. The big
You won an
black
Oscar for that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which was
I knew
weird.
the-
I
I didn't
remember
know the
being
movie.
angry because I didn't feel she deserved it for that.
So Akash loses 50 points
Oh,
and Akram gets 5 points for this. Wow.
Oh no.
That's the game, folks. That's the game. It's okay. Next question to Surya. Are you raising Surya? If so, how much?
I'll go with 40.
40 points. के लिए आपका सवाल है ये. Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn. It's an iconic line from which movie? I'm sure you guys have heard this line. Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn.
I haven't heard of it.
What the fuck? Do the other guys have a clue? You guys know?
I know.
Hey, kick that Akram out. Da.
No movie.
That to the middle he's sitting. I know.
That's a no movie round.
What the hell? What a clue? At least 20 points I will win.
Clue.
It starts with frankly.
20 seconds.
I'm nil.
How much points did you wager? 30 points.
40.
40. Okay, so you lose 40 points here. Pass to
It's
Akram.
okay.
Gone with the wind.
Correct answer. Well done. Akram gets answer 5. Surya loses 40. Hey, another
So
one.
Akram-
Okay, anyway, it's all in the game. So next question to Akram. How much?
I have how much? 300, huh?
My God.
Yeah, exactly.
300. And these guys are both below 200, no?
Yeah.
Shit, yeah. No.
Okay. So I'll easily wager 50. You know, if I lose, it's fine.
Okay.
Bloody hell.
So Akram, your question is here. How many players are there in a Quidditch team?
Harry Potter. எனக்கு போய் இவ்ளோ பெரிய.
இல்ல ஒரு நிமிஷம். 3 chasers, 2 beaters, 1 seeker, 1 keeper. 7.
Final answer?
ஒரு நிமிஷம். I'm counting correct on what is 3 plus 2. 7. Final answer. 7.
That's a very good answer, man. Fuck. Good job. Correct answer. Wow.
Akash, go all in, da. Go all in.
What else will I do?
Do you guys know? Akash.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we know, yeah.
So Akram, 100.
Okay, guys. Thank you very much.
I feel I should have kept wager for this round. Okay, anyway. Next question and the last question of this round to Akash.
How much do I have?
How much? Sorry.
How much do I have?
You have 125.
Oh, 120.
120.
Yeah. What else will I do? I have to catch up to him. No, yeah.
Okay. Okay, your question is this one. Who peed on Monica's leg when she was stung by a jellyfish?
Chandler.
Final answer?
Yes.
That is the correct answer.
Yes.
Caught up. Piece of shit. Caught up.
So he's
Why
at
you get friends and all to this man?
120. Okay.
Oh my god.
So,
Good one.
so
He was a
Akram
rescue
is at
trick, no? That is a
400.
good one.
Akash is at 365. Surya is at 175.
Sorry, Alina.
Akash at 365, yeah.
Akash.
Oh.
He wagered 120, no? So double 240 he got.
Fuck.
Okay, so we are at the last round of the
Okay,
quiz.
I get 240 plus 10, right?
10.
Huh?
The
Then what
point.
tax?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. What question?
Sorry.
Any on to the side.
Okay, so we are at the last round of the quiz, guys. So this is the sound round. Okay. I will be sending you guys the this thing by WhatsApp. All of you. Only
Okay.
group. Put in the group. Cocky fellows like Rishi will give the answer. So I'm not. Okay. So we are going reverse in this one. Akash will start.
Please put wager.
Yes, wager. Definitely wager. Okay. Akash, your first question. And how much are you wagering, first of all?
So this is like I have to guess the music or something like that.
Yes, I will tell you I'll send you the clip first and I will ask the question.
Oh, okay.
Not trying.
एक बार वापस try करना.
अच्छा एक second. 1 second. I'm just sharing it with Blessy and seeing if the title of the track comes or not or the record. It doesn't. No. ठीक है. Okay. The first broadcast करना चाहिए. Broadcast. Akash, how much are you wagering?
So I'm leading now.
No. You're 365. Akram is at 400.
Oh my god. 365. So I'll take. I'll wager 50.
50 points.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Okay. I am attaching the clip now. 50 points के लिए आपका सवाल. All of you have your phones, right, with y'all?
Yeah.
Hey, where the fuck is the broadcast? ठीक है, एक second. Sorry, I'll just copy this. Okay, I'm sending it first to Akash and then I'll forward you guys also. All right.
Yeah, that is better.
Okay, Akash, I sent you this thing.
I got low.
Akram Ali,
I didn't see it end, so I put a bullet in my mouth and the other guy spit it out. So I moved on. I focused on helping other people. I was good until you dragged me back into this freak show.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah.
Got it, yeah. What's the question?
Name the character you just heard and from which movie it is.
Which movie also I should say?
Yes.
Can't be that easy, that.
Okay. It's Mark Ruffalo's Hulk from Avengers.
Good answer. Correct answer.
Yes. So I get 100.
And yeah, he gets 100 points for this. Okay. So next question. All of y'all knew it is pretty easy, is it?
Yeah, this was easy.
Okay. Next one to Akram. How many points, Dad?
So he got what? He's 465. I'm 400.
He is now at 465.
50.
So I'll do. I'll do 40.
Oh, I have to do now 150. Yeah.
All.
Okay. Akram, 40 points, 50 points.
Yeah.
What did you say?
Waiting.
40.
40.
Okay.
40.
40 points.
Sending
it to you right now. Similarly, name the character and the movie.
Okay.
I'm sending it.
ഇവര് രണ്ടുപേരും കല്യാണം കേക്കോ?
Hey, Malayalam you gave shit.
എന്നാരാണാവോ കല്യാണം കേൾക്കാൻ പോണേ?
നിന്നെ കേട്ടെ
എന്നെക്കാട്ടും നല്ല പെണ്ണിനെ കിട്ടുമല്ലോ ചേട്ടന്.
കിട്ടോ?
ആ.
ഐസ്ക്രീം ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടാ?
ആ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു.
കഴിച്ചു.
Do I have to name the male character or the female character?
Female character.
Fuck, I forgot her character's name.
Name the which character?
The female character.
And which movie is this clip from?
And what is it?
Movie I know. Movie is Premam.
Okay. And character?
Character. Shit, I know it is Madonna Sebastian's younger character. I'm forgetting her name. Premam, everybody only remembers Malar teacher, but who remembers the other two girls? Shit.
Time.
20 seconds.
Hey, we're getting only 5 points.
I don't care. I want him not to get it. That's the whole point.
Akram, 10 points. Sorry, 10 seconds.
Oh, he loses 50, right?
That's the whole point.
3, 2.
Okay, I'll guess. The guess is.
Now,
I'm going to guess.
Tell.
Okay. Catherine.
Wrong answer.
Rita Jones.
Okay.
Can I get half points to guess the movie correctly?
Manna.
Surya.
Oh, it's me. I have no idea. You can pass it to Akash.
Okay. Pass to Akash.
Celine.
Good answer.
C, I knew it was a C name. Fuck.
So Akash loses 50 points.
Hey,
And
40 I waited.
sorry, 40.
Yeah, 40.
40.
40 points and Akash gets
Patti, Akash.
5.
You got Avengers this round. I got Premam.
Okay. Next question
To me.
to
If you give a Vijay movie to Surya now, I swear I'll hit you.
The armor.
Okay, Surya, I'm sharing this with you first.
Okay.
Name the actor and the movie. Don't give me the character's name. Actor
Okay.
and the
This is not fair.
which is the actor? Once
Not
again,
that I would have guessed a little bit.
actor is being referred to. Okay, you'll get to know it. Once you listen to the recording, you'll understand what I'm saying.
Let him do 40.
இல்லண்ணா இவர்தானே எங்க அப்பா.
இது உங்க அப்பாவே கிடையாதுப்பா.
இல்லடா இவர்தானே எங்க அப்பா. பாட்டி சொன்னாங்க.
நீ இரு. இங்க பாருப்பா. இது உங்க அப்பாவாவே கூட இருக்கட்டும். இதெல்லாம் உள்ள விட்டேன்னு வெச்சுக்க. என்ன சீட்டை கீச்சு வெளிய அனுப்பிடுவாங்க. வேணா டீச்சர் ஆண்ட போயிட்டு ஒரு லெட்டர் எழுதி வாங்கிட்டு வா. அப்பால உள்ள அனுப்புறேன்.
நீ இங்கே இரு. நான் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸை கூப்பிட்டு வரேன். அவங்க தான் உன்னை மெயினாக பார்க்கணும். அதுக்காக தான் நீங்கள் வந்திருக்கோம். நீ அந்த கண்ணாடி போட்டுக்கோ ப்ளீஸ்.
This you couldn't give me, you piece of shit.
I'm giving in order. I'm giving in the order that I made this. Because
Okay, I actually forgot to wager.
Yeah, sorry. I'll tell how much.
And now you can't. Now it's too easy.
So what wager should I put?
Tell you are right now at 175. So you can maximum. Okay, just because I didn't ask you, you can maximum wager only say 70 points.
Okay, I'll do the maximum.
70. Okay.
Yeah, Vijay Sethupathi Super Deluxe.
Correct answer. Akash, do you the answer?
Yeah. That kid's voice is kind of.
Between you, this was easy.
Like I said, this quiz is pretty easy only. Nothing too complicated. Okay, next question to Akash. Tell me your wager.
Can you tell the score sheet?
Akash is leading with 470.
470.
Akram is at 360, and Surya is at 315.
Okay.
So these are the last three rounds, last three questions. Okay, so after this we are done.
Last three questions, right? So
the last question basically.
Last question.
I'm at 460.
You're at 470.
470. Okay, I would like to wager. Let's say everyone's going to go more than that, no? So let's wager in, I think, 50.
50.
50. No, it's confusing now. Sorry for asking. What is Akram's score?
Akram is at 360.
360. So he's only 100 points away from me. So if he takes 50, that's super. Can't take. Cool fellow is. Okay. I will say I'll take 100.
So
Sorry, not 100. 50 only.
50. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm sending you the clip. All three of you all now.
Discovery, as you all know, relates to finding new laws, a principle and concept. Example, Raman effect is a discovery. Einstein energy equation is a discovery. Chandrasekhar Chandra's limit is a discovery. Okay? Now, invention from the basic theory evolved finding new system. For example, Graham Bell's telephone is an invention. Graham Bell telephone is an invention. And Thomas Alva Edison's light and bulb, it is an invention.
Holy fuck, what is this?
Okay.
What is the question?
Question is, who am I? Simple. Who is this person who we just heard?
How? Does anyone else know?
I know.
Yeah, I hope this question comes for me.
What did he say?
This question can't come to him.
What is that? What is the question?
He put 15, no?
Yeah. Agash, the time is running up.
He lose 15.
Seconds left.
Who the fuck is this, da? I want to see that Nityanandan guy, but he's not this much heavy. His accent is not there.
Nityanandan.
Is it Abdul Kalam?
Final answer?
Yeah.
Wow. Correct answer! How did you reach that? How did you reach that?
Like South Indian, he was at least talking sense, and like not like Nityanandan. He was not self-boasting.
I am
only guy is scientist who I know.
offended. I'm feeling a little offended that he reached from Nityananda to Abdul Kalam. He thought of South India. I'm a little offended.
It's either the extreme for us, na. Either you're like fuck all, or you're like super smart.
Okay. The next question is to Akram. How much?
This fellow is what? 500.
So he
570.
lost.
He
But
lost.
he got 100 points. So he's at 570. You're at 360. Surya's at 315.
Okay, it's all about the game. So I'm going to go for 360.
All in. Fact. Okay, fine.
All in.
All in. So if you win,
Now I cannot beat him at all.
I also can't beat him.
Maybe I lose it all, but it's all in the game. Fine.
Okay. Okay, your voice clip is here. I just sent it.
पता है क्या? आज तक लाइफ में एक ट्रेन नहीं छूटी मेरी. थैंक यू बाबा जी. मेरा रिकॉर्ड टूटने से बचा लिया. अंदर आ गई हूँ मैं. अब तो मेरा हाथ छोड़ दो. इतनी भी सुंदर नहीं हूँ मैं. मुझे ना नॉन एसी में चलना बेटर लगता है. मगर मेरी फैमिली है ना कहते हैं तुम लड़की हो जैसे मुझे.
अब्दुल कलाम.
भाई साहब ये A1 है ना? थैंक यू.
What do I have to do?
Okay, so who is the actress in this movie?
To be honest, I'm very weak in this. Okay, I'm gonna guess because it's very faint memory. Is it Kareena Kapoor and Jab We Met?
Your final answer?
Yeah.
And with that, folks, it is a correct answer.
Oh, thank you! The bet, the risk taking.
Okay.
Where are the darlings?
So the last question, it's kind of done, but you can aim for second place, Tasu.
To go all in. Do what I did. Go all in.
I was planning to do that.
It's all random questions. I'm not changing the order for anybody.
Yeah.
It's just unfortunate that it is landing. Okay.
Okay, so I'll wager 200.
So with 200 points, you get 400. You will end up with 715. Okay, second place. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Surya, your question is here.
I don't want to be with 0 points.
I understand I'm supposed to speak about
Center.
cricket and issues in the game. And I will. Yet first, before all else, I must say I find myself humbled by the venue we find ourselves in. Even though there is neither a pitch in sight, nor stumps, bat and balls, as a cricketer I feel I stand on very sacred ground tonight. When I was told I would be speaking at the National War Memorial, I thought of how often and how meaninglessly the words war, battle, fight are used to describe cricket matches.
I want to say that I'm a cricket fan, but even I'm having trouble guessing this voice.
What is the question?
Who am I?
Who am I? Spider-Man.
Wait a minute.
Shazam it, Shazam it.
Surya, you have 20 seconds. That's okay. Take your time. No, 20 seconds. Second place ke liye fighter. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11.
The audio clip itself is 30 seconds.
No, I'm only starting the count after the second time that you hear it.
Ayyo. It is a cricketer, no?
Yeah, cricketer.
Coco player is.
Yeah, fine.
I saw a movie or something, no? Because playing in a movie or something, I don't know that. That's
It's real life. This is a real life this thing. It's not movie and thing.
Is it Rahul Dravid?
Is your final answer? That is a very educated and well done. Correct answer.
Well done.
Yeah, it is.
Correct.
It was Rahul Dravid.
Super.
And with that,
Akash,
400 points.
I couldn't get a chance to call it.
And And at the end of this ultimate random quiz, with third place we have Akash at 570.
Good game.
Surya is
Yes, sir.
715.
Yeah.
Okay, we hold the ceremony for quite some. For
Holding the ceremony.